and relax. Again, we do 2 breaths in, 1 breath out to calm the system instantly. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. 2 बार नाक से सांस लेनी है, 1 बार मुंह से छोड़ना है. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And sit down. If you cannot sit on the mat, use a chair. You can sit on sofa, bed, everything works. कुछ भी चलेगा. So Mondays we do a little bit light movement with a little bit of breathing. So Bhastrika is pranayam or breathing 1. Loose fist in front of your shoulders, elbows close to the body. Anyone with high BP or anything with respect to eyes or any surgery if you've done, you will do it extremely slow like this. And normal version is like this. वज्रासन में बैठ सकते अगर आप चाहे तो, और थोड़ा तेज करना है. कैसे करेंगे तेज? हाँ, थोड़ा फोर्स लगाएंगे, ऐसे थोड़ी ताकत से खींचना है पीछे. ठीक है, सिंपल है. Bhastrika is extremely energizing. It removes the stale air from your lungs and pushes fresh air in the lung. तो पूरे सिस्टम को रिजुविनेट करने में बहुत मदद करता है. 1 राउंड आंखें खोल के करेंगे, बाकी 2 राउंड आंखें बंद करके करेंगे. 1 round with our eyes closed, 2 rounds with our eyes 1 round with our eyes open, 2 rounds with our eyes closed. Normal breath in, breathe out. Simple or slow, normal or regular version. Breathe in, out, in, out, in, out. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. In 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in 10, in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in 10. Relax. Keep your palms on your thighs open to the ceiling. Like this. Now we will do the next 2 rounds with our eyes closed. आंखें बंद करके प्राणायाम करते तो उसका impact ज्यादा अच्छा होता है. When we do anything in yoga practices with our eyes closed, it is much more powerful. If you have any doubt, it's okay to keep open your eyes in between, watch, and then again close it back. So eyes are closed. Ready for Bhastrika round 2. Normal breath in, breathe out. For Bhastrika, together breathe in, out, in, out. In 3, in 4, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in 10, in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in 10. Keeping your eyes closed, keep your palms on your thighs or lap and keep them faced towards the ceiling. हथेलियां घुटनों पर, आसमान की ओर खुली हुई. and the last round of Bhastrika together. First, we take a normal breath in and breathe out. Then we, for Bhastrika, together breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10, in, 1, in, 2, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10. Relax. For those of us who cannot sit down, you continue on chair, sofa, bed, whatever you feel like. For those of us who can, sit comfortable and easy. आराम से बैठ जाओ. If you're sitting in Vajrasan, come out of it. Now what we do is called as Bhramari Pranayam. Okay, Bhramari करेंगे. बहुत simple है. Take your 2 fingers, put them in your ears. कानों को बंद करके सुन लो पहले, otherwise आवाज नहीं आएगी. You just have to make a sound of a B. ऐसे आवाज करनी है आपको, कान बंद करके, आंखें बंद करके. भ्रामरी के फायदे क्या होते हैं? इट इंप्रूव्स योर मेमोरी. इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स यू बूस्ट योर इम्यूनिटी. भ्रामरी करने से ना एक गैस प्रोड्यूस होती है हमारे नेजल पैसेज में, उसका नाम है नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड, और वो गैस होती है जर्म किलर. आजकल बहुत चल रहा है एक्सरसाइज टू प्रोड्यूस नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड. डायबिटीज में हेल्प होता है, ब्लड प्रेशर में हेल्प होता है, बहुत सारी चीजों में. बट होता है इस प्राणायाम से सबसे इफेक्टिवली है. करना क्या, बहुत सिंपल है. सांस लेंगे, सांस छोड़ते हुए ऐसे भ्रमर का आवाज निकालेंगे और कान बंद करेंगे, आंखें बंद करेंगे. 5 बार खुद से प्रैक्टिस करो. लेट्स डू इट 5 टाइम्स ऑन आवर ओन. टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ इन एंड मेक अ हमिंग साउंड. Continue 4 times more. Relax after this round. हर प्राणायाम के बाद 10-15 सेकेंड आंखें बंद रखेंगे. आफ्टर एवरी ब्रीदिंग we keep our eyes closed for 10-15 seconds. Slowly open your eyes. There is a possibility that you have some doubts, some questions, some confusion. Don't worry, they will go away when we practice further. मैं आपको बताता रहूंगा बीच बीच में, सारे डाउट्स क्लियर हो जाएंगे. Day 1 है, बहुत लोग पहली बार कर रहे होंगे, तो हो सकता है थोड़े डाउट्स हो, which is absolutely fine. Some of us might have joined a little late, so let's practice the most powerful stretch one more time. 3, 2, 1. जबरदस्ती होठों को कानों तक लेकर जाना है और हाथों को ऐसे स्प्रेड करना है और शरीर को ऐसे एक्सपैंड करना है. If you are having a bad day, just lock yourself somewhere and do this for 1 minute. Stretch, 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 stretch. And let go. Basically, what we feel is contraction when we are not feeling good. If you physically expand your body, the mind also expands and feels nice. One more time. 3, 2, 1, stretch. And let go. Keep smiling. We work on our spine with our asana practice. तो जब भी हम आसन प्रैक्टिस करते हैं बैठ के या लेट के, तो ऑनलाइन माध्यम में थोड़ा सा प्लस माइनस होगा, विच इज एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. देयर इज नथिंग विच विल गो रॉन्ग. थोड़ा सा आपको समझने में टाइम लग सकता है, सारी चीजें, विच इज ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, सो स्पाइनल कॉर्ड इज आवर main structure of the entire system, isn't it? So we'll work around the muscles of the spine, and also these are some asanas that we are going to do, very helpful to activate and boost your energy levels. Okay, तो spine जो रीढ़ की हड्डी दंड बोलते हैं ना, वो मेरुदंड, वो अगर स्ट्रांग रहता है, वो अगर सफल रहता है, वो अच्छा रहता है, तो हम उतने ही यंग रहते हैं. ठीक है, so let's work a little bit on the spine. Just move left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And hold your hands like this. हाथों को ऐसे रखो. Interlace your fingers and stretch side to side like this. Twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The next one is called Anjari-asan. जब भी हम 20 टाइम्स करते हैं ना, 5 बार आपके लिए है to watch, and 15 times you do. 5 times it's just for you to see what's happening, and 15 times you do it with us. Marjory-asan or cat-cow stretch. If you do not have any knee condition, do this. If you have knee condition, follow me. Again, good mobility for the spine. One of the best things that you should do every day for your spine. इससे आपकी spine बहुत ही बढ़िया रहती है. Breathe in, stretch, look up, breathe out, arch your back, chin to the chest. Breathe in, look up, push your navel down or forward. Breathe out, pull your navel towards the spine, arch your back, chin to the chest. Let's continue. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10. Relax. Now what we do is lie down on our stomach. पेट के बल लेट जाओ. If you have difficulty lying down on the stomach, you just repeat whatever we did before this. अगर आप पेट पे नहीं लेट सकते हो तो आप वॉक कर सकते हो, कोई और मूवमेंट कर सकते हो. जस्ट रिपीट एनीथिंग दैट वी डिड बिफोर or just continue deep breathing. You will have to adjust your mobile phone a little bit to see. So every asana that we do, we are going to repeat it twice. One, for you to properly see and understand. Second, for you to do it with us. Chin on the floor, if you can, hands by your side. First one, Ardha Shalabhasana. Lift your right leg up, knee straight, toes pointing out. Helps you to activate your glutes and the lower back. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring it down. We'll repeat again the same. Lift your right leg up, knee straight, toes pointing out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And bring it down, let go. The same with your left. Lift your left leg up, knee straight, toes pointing out. Feel the activation in your glutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring it down. Lift up again. Knees straight and toes pointing out. Ardha Shalabhasana, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Make a fist of your hand. Keep it under your groin. दोनों हाथों की मुट्ठी बना के जंघा के नीचे रख दे. If you feel अगर वो चुभे थोड़ा तो आप दोनों हाथों को सीधा भी रख सकते हो. If you want to, you can keep your hands straight. Join your feet together. पैरों को जोड़ लो. And then lift both your legs up together. Shalabh Asana. Hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring it down. And lift up again one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let go. Let's prepare for Bhujangasana. Hands under your shoulders. हाथों को कंधों के नीचे रख ले. You have two options here. Either you come up like this with slight pressure on the hands. पूरा ऊपर नहीं आना है, elbows bend रहेंगे. Or you can keep your elbows on the floor and do Ardha Bhujangasana. Join your feet together. एड़ियां जुड़ी होनी चाहिए दोनों. And here we also do the stretch, which is the most powerful one. So you smile. So this is called the Cobra pose. And Cobra is, for us, it is smiling. तो होठों को कानों की तरफ पुश करें. Look forward, don't look up. नहीं देखना है, सामने देखना है. And slowly bring it down. एक बार दोबारा से करेंगे. हल्का सा ऊपर उठे, पूरा ऊपर नहीं उठेंगे. Your elbows are bent. Lift up slightly. You can keep your elbows on the floor. and let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let go. Relax. विश्राम करें. दोनों हाथों को सीधा सामने ले जाओ. सिर्फ एक हाथ और एक पैर उठाएंगे, कोई भी. लिफ्ट वन हैंड एंड वन लेग अप. होल्ड इट and bring it down. Let's do with the other side. दूसरा हाथ और दूसरा पैर ऊपर उठाए and bring it down. Let's repeat again. Right hand and left leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the other side, lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Slowly bend your legs. पैरों को मोड़ लो. If you can, hold your ankle. Dhanurasana, lift up. Do the easier alternative if holding the ankle is challenging for you. हाथों की ग्रिप जितनी टाइट रहेगी उतना ऊपर उठने में आसानी होगी. The tighter the grip of your hands, easier it is to hold Dhanurasana. Bring it down. And we'll lift up again for the practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let go. Let's do Makarasana. Makarasana में आपको क्या करना है? कोई भी घुटने को छाती के पास ले आए और शरीर को पूरा ढीला छोड़े. And I'm sure this does not require any practice. You will be doing this extremely perfectly. ये वाला तो आप perfect कर ही रहे हो. I am sure about it. चेहरे पे मुस्कुराहट बनाए रखे और पूरी तरह विश्राम करें. Keep smiling and relax completely. Very slowly turn around. Lie down on your back. पीठ के बल आ जाए. Now lying on the back, a little more challenging to see what's happening. So again, we'll do it twice. Once for you to see, once for you to do it with us. So keep your hands under your glutes. You have two options. You can keep your hands under your glutes or you can keep your hands under your neck also. You will have to figure out what is more comfortable for you. आपके लिए जो ज़्यादा अच्छा है वो आप करेंगे. We'll do Ardha Halasana. Lift your legs up at 90 degrees. You can keep your knees slightly bent or you can keep your knees straight. पैरों को जितना सीधा रखेंगे उतना ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट आएगा कोर पर. ट्राई टू पुल द टोज इन. पैरों की उंगलियों को अपनी तरफ खींचो and then slowly bring it down. And now this time for you to do it better, Lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring it down. Let go. Bring your knees closer to the chest. दोनों घुटनों को छाती के पास ले आए. पवन मुक्त आसन. Now attempt to touch your nose to the knee. नाक को घुटने से लगाने की चेष्टा करें. Relax. थोड़ा सा ढीला छोड़े शरीर. And then we do it again. This time a tighter hug. इस बार tight hug करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let go. The next one is called Setu Bandhasan or the bridge pose. Keep your heels close to the body and knees pointing to the ceiling. एड़िया शरीर के पास, घुटने आसमान की ओर. And lift your waist up. कमर को ऊपर उठाना है. पेट को ऊपर नहीं पुश करेंगे. Just push your waist up and rather pull your stomach in. पेट को अंदर खींच के रखो. Extremely good to strengthen your glutes and your lower back. Bring it down and we'll do it better this time. इस बार थोड़ा और बेहतर एक्टिवेशन के साथ करेंगे. लिफ्ट अप. एक्टिवेशन मतलब आपको एक इंटरनल एफर्ट लगाना है. अंदर से एक एफर्ट लगाना होता है टू पुश द ग्लूट्स अप. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Next is called Supta Kapotasana. Left ankle on the right thigh. Make a figure 4 of your lower body and bring your right knee closer to the chest. One of the best stretches for lower back pain, sciatica. If you do this every day before sleeping, it will give you better benefits. सोने से पहले रोज इसको कर सकते हैं. जिसको भी sciatica का इशू है वो तो ये रोज करे. Gently relax and we'll pull again. Better this time. इस बार और बेहतर करेंगे. थोड़ा और ताकत लगा के अपनी तरफ खींचे. Hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let go. Same on the other side. Right ankle on the left thigh. Figure 4 of the lower body. Pull your left knee closer to the chest. Release. And this time, try to do it better. Pull with full effort. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. keep your heels close to the body, knees pointing up. You can extend your arms if you wish to. दोनों हाथों को extend कर सकते हैं. अगर ठंडा है तो आप मैट पर ही रखें. And drop both your knees to the left. And drop both your knees to the right. Left to right movement करना है 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And stretch your legs straight. पैरों को सीधा कर लो. और पूरे शरीर को ढीला छोड़ो. शवासन. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. One more breath in. Let go. With the next breath in, feel that whole body is becoming healthier and happier. And with the breath out, all the stress and the toxins from the system, all the negative emotions going out through the breath. सांस लेते हुए पूरा शरीर खुश और तंदुरुस्त हो रहा है. सांस छोड़ते हुए शरीर से पूरा तनाव बाहर जा रहा है. Mentally chant 3 times. I am healthy, I am happy. 3 बार मन में संकल्प ले. मैं स्वस्थ हूं, मैं खुश हूं. चेहरे पे एक बड़ी सी मुस्कुराहट हो. Smile on your face. Slowly turn to your right side. And with the support of your hands, sit up. धीरे से उठ के बैठ जाओ. आपके मन में सवाल होगा कि राइट से ही क्यों उठना है. सारे सवालों के जवाब मिल जाएंगे, आप निश्चिंत रहिए. Take your hands up. Stretch. Padasana. Stretch, 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 stretch. If you take additional time to sit up, it's okay. अगर आपको उठ के बैठने में थोड़ा ज्यादा समय लगे तो कोई बात नहीं. एक आध आसन कम भी किया तो कुछ नहीं होगा. And let's end with Yoga Mudra. Make a fist of your right hand. Hold your right wrist with your left like this at the back. पीछे पकड़ना है ऐसे. And go forward and down as much as possible. Not necessary that your head will touch the floor. Just do as much as possible. and slowly come up. So this was our day 1. ये हमारा day 1 था. मैं बिल्कुल समझ सकता हूँ कुछ लोगों को आसान लगा होगा, कुछ को थोड़ा टफ लगा होगा, कुछ को मजा आया होगा, कुछ को कंफ्यूजन हुआ होगा. फॉर दैट यू हैव अ